Hello, my name is Jessica, and I will be demonstrating the technique of mindful meditation. So mindful meditation is a type of meditation that focuses on the present moment and helps people to become fully aware of their senses and feelings without judgment. So throughout this video, we will be focusing on breathing and noticing physical sensations throughout our body, while also letting go of any stray thoughts that come and go from our minds. So hopefully by the end of the video, your mind and your body will feel a sense of calmness. I will be keeping my eyes open throughout the video to go through my prompts, but please feel free to close your eyes. So first, we are going to find a comfortable position. This can be in a seated, upright position on the floor, on a chair, on a couch. Wherever you are most comfortable, start to settle in and make sure that you are seated upright with good posture. So take a moment to find a comfortable position. As you find your comfortable position, begin to notice your breath. Don't try to slow it down, don't try to speed it up, just notice your breath. Your inhale and your exhale. Now take a moment to lower your gaze or to close your eyes as you continue to breathe in and out. Notice the sensations of breath entering your nose or your mouth, filling your lungs, and then being released through your nose or your mouth. Notice if the air is cool or warm, and notice the rise and fall of your chest as you breathe. If you feel your mind begin to wander, that's okay. Just bring your focus back to your breath, your inhale and your exhale. Now begin to notice other physical sensations in your body. Notice how your feet feel against the floor or on the couch. Notice how your arms feel resting at your side, how your back feels against the chair. Is it soft? Is it hard? Continue to breathe and to focus on your breath in, filling your lungs, and out as you release it. Notice if there are any areas of tension in your body. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, allow your body to release the tension. Perhaps it's in your jaw or your neck. Just allow yourself to continue to breathe and to release the tension in your body. You will notice it and then let it go. If your mind has taken a moment to wander again, that's okay. Just bring your focus back to your breath and continue to focus on the sensations of your breath, entering and leaving your body. And continue to place your attention here for a moment as your breath moves and flows through you. You may notice the stages of your breath, the in-breath, the pause that follows, and the out-breath. Begin to bring your attention back to other parts of your body, your feet, your arms, your hands, how they feel against the floor or the softness of your chair, your fingers and your toes, if they are clenched, if they are loose. And continue to breathe. Now slowly open your eyes or lift your gaze as you continue to breathe in and out. And take a moment here to just notice how you feel. If you are feeling relaxed, if you are feeling tense, however you are feeling is fine. There was no right or wrong way to complete that practice or that exercise. Try not to judge your experience and just notice how it was. And you will now move on with the rest of your day. So that is the end of this mindful meditation. I hope you have all enjoyed it or learned something, and have a good rest of your day. Thank you.